How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be mail call, shop card shout outs, and updates on well, everything going on, especially the small scale group build. And this will probably be the last update on it, because then we put it together and it's done. And that video will come out on the 28th, the last day of the shop, or the small scale group build. It's my own group build and I can't even say it. Spit it out, Sean. Spit it out. All right, before we get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. This channel never asks you for anything, guys. The only support I need is if I mention anybody in the community. I always leave a link in the description below, guys. That's all. That's all. All right, let's get this started. All right, I got some shop cards in the mail. And the first one here, Flashback Model Works. David, thank you for the kind words, brother. Love your channel. Thank you for the support. And y'all, David's link will be in the description below, as always. Anybody that I mentioned here, go check them out. Just go to the link below, go there, give them a like, share, subscribe, thumbs up. You know the deal. Right there. There's that one. The next one is Tim Carson from Box Stock Garage. Thank you for the kind words, brother, and thank you for your support. Appreciate you, y'all. These guys are very talented. Get over there and check them out. Let's see. He's got his right here. That's his YouTube.com right there. All right. And then David had his Gmail right there at the bottom if y'all need to get a hold of him. And then the next one, Ed Shoot Dang Models. That's one heck of a name. I like that name. Thank you, Ed. Very talented guys here, guys. Go check them out. Go check them out. Appreciate you guys. Hopefully y'all got my shop cards. All right. And then another guy I'm going to shout out here. Old Doug. Douglas's Model Garage and Videos. There's his newest shop card. I got every shop card he's ever done here. And this car right here is his little Mr. Bean build right there. You can see it right there on the shop card. He sent me that. As you know, my birthday was January 31st. And it was also his birthday. And it's also Justin from J Hart Models' birthday, guys. We all three share the same birthday. And me and Doug next year on our birthdays are going to have a buddy build. We ain't decided what kind of builds we're going to do yet, but we're going to have a buddy build. He sent this to me for my birthday. Thank you, Doug. Much appreciated. Look at that. Little 1/43 scale. I think that's a Heller kit, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, but I really do believe it's a Heller kit. And he built that. Thank you. I will display it over here. Thank you very much, brother. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it right up here right now. Boom. There you go, guys. All right. Well, let me take this camera off here. Show you what I've gotten going on here. This is as far as I've gotten on the big rig. Do you see the big rig I'm doing right here? This is all I've gotten done. I don't know if I've showed y'all. I've gotten some paint. I'm just kind of test fitting some stuff. Still got to do a lot of painting on it. There's the chassis. And that's from Jeff's Model Garage. Big rig group build. And here's some stuff I've gotten done with the front end on it. Now the decals, I don't know what I'm going to use on this yet as far as decals, because these decals are shot. And I painted the rig red anyway. It's not going to be two-tone. I'm going to try to use that yellow and black piece right there for the back. But the rest of it, I really don't know. I'll figure something out to put on the doors or something. That's really all I've gotten done on that. It's kind of on a pause right now. And then as far as this goes right here, I got from John a set of these in right here. He 3D printed these for me. And you can see what I'm kind of going with right here. It's going to have the dog dish hubcaps and the steel wheels. Yes, we're going to have a buddy build. R&B Model Works. So Robert over there, not John. I said John's right here. Robert Bishop. Go check him out. I don't have a shop card for him around here. I probably should have thought of that and found it before I did this video, but he 3D printed these for me, and that's going to be our buddy builds. He is building the Robert will be building the Grumpy Toy Bill Jenkins 112 scale Camaro, and I'll build the 112 scale Camaro with the it's a street car with the dog dish hubcaps and the wheels. And then I got another buddy build coming up. Since this small scale, both of these will be after the small scale group build. That's why the big rig's kind of on hold right now. And as y'all remember, I won this. I won this from John over there at the Mighty JJK Models, and we're going to have a buddy build on these right here, the PBY Catalina. And they're identical kits, just different box, but they're both MPC. Actually old Airfix toolings, and we're going to do a buddy build on that starting around March, and this one here too around March. I'll do them both about the same time. And as far as the motorcycle group build, I have not got that started yet, and I still got a long time on this one, and it's small scale, so it won't take me long to do it once I get started. And the one reason why I haven't started it yet is because this would be the paint that I would use for it. I hate to open up a can of paint right now for something that small until I figure out what I'm going to use the rest of the paint to paint on it. So once I get around to doing that, I'll start that build. So let's go over here and check this out. Oh, and two, here's a list of everybody so far in the small scale group build. You might want to pause it if you want to see your names on there. There's 50-something people in the small scale group build as of right now. And if there's more, if y'all have put a video out there and I've not commented, it's because you haven't tagged me. I got a lot of people to find, and I really need your support on helping me by tagging it the small scale group build 2025. That way it'd be easier for me to find it. And the ones I have, thank you. All right, and here's my small scale group build. Y'all remember I was doing this kit right here that I got off of George Woods, and this is a very high detailed kit. Very cool kit, guys. If you ever get a chance to get one of these, it's super small, 1/43 scale. Let me show you. Let's get Doug's car back out here. Let's bring it over here. All right, look at that size comparison right there, guys. Very, very small. But here's what I've gotten done. Let's see if I can get this all to focus. I've wired the engine up. You can see right there. It's got plug wires. Kind of weathered it up a hair. Nothing special. You can see there's the bottom of it. Pretty much all that's left is just a little bit of touch up. You can see where the yellow has come through right there, where I've gotten it off the sprue. Should have done a little better cleanup, but I didn't. Let's see. Here's the interior. Photo etch steering wheel center or bracket, whatever you want to call it. Photo etch dash. I made the seat belts for it out of masking tape, or not masking tape, electrical tape. Just did a little paint brushing. Here are the, if I can get them to focus, the wire wheels with their photo etched wire wheels. Very tedious, guys, very tedious. All right, and here is the body. Let me put it right here like this. this is what I've gotten done. I got it decaled. I scratch built that roll bar right there. It's got the photo etched rear view mirror. Let's see. Photo etched little license plate back there. Man, this thing is so small, guys. I'm telling you, it is hard. It's got the photo etched grill right there. The tonneau cover I made. I know the buttons are a little bit out of scale, but hey, it's so small, I don't care. But there you go, guys. That's what I have done with it. It's all I gotta do now is just button it up. There's the hood right there with the little photo etched hood not hinges, but I don't know what you call them, handles, whatever. But that's it, guys. As far as the Jaguar, I put everything kind of up. It's kind of on hold right now, and that would be all I have going right now, guys. All right, thank you. Please check everybody out. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye. All right, guys, I forgot to mention too, I kept saying my group build. This ain't just my group build. This is mine and Dan the Man from the 60s Rule channel, guys. Go check out his new YouTube channel, the 60s Rule channel, and he is helping with this group build. So if you have any questions, you can get a hold of him too, and go support him. Get his subs back up. He had to create a new channel, and so go get his subs back up. Get over there and subscribe to Dan the Man at the 60s Rule channel. And too, also, I seen a video today of Skip from Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania there. He had got some stash ads, and he'd got Revell Austin Haley model kit, and he is asking about it and stuff. So I don't know if you're gonna see it. It's in this case, Skip. There's mine that I got built. It's the original issue from 1960. I know there's a glare on everything. I'll have to get it out of the case sometime and show it to you. Comment if you want to see it or whatever. Get a hold of me if you want to see it out, and I'll do a video on it sometime. Yes, gosh dang, you can't hardly see in there, guys, but that's it. It's green, British Racing green. Yeah, I'll show it to you if you want me to get it out and show it to you sometime. And then I also have the stock versions, but that's the racing version I built right there, guys. All right, Skip, check it out. All right, bye.